Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Open your cameras. Open your cameras quickly. Alek, Alek का हमेशा कैमरा ऑन ऑफ होता है. Switch off your on your camera. Sorry. Who is this Janvi?
Ma'am, please send maths link.
Janvi कौन है ये? Maths link. See now here. Charitra, Taranveer, Aradhya, Adhya, Mubashira and Ansh. क्या बेटा आप पुराना क्लास पिछला क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर रहे थे? These students, चरित्र, तरणवीर, open your cameras. चरित्र, Anshra is writing.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Anshra, sorry, Charitra is not here. Aradhya is here. Were you not attending the previous class, beta?
No, ma'am, I was attending the
So
previous
how do you
class.
write the answer on WhatsApp? How do you write this attendance on WhatsApp?
Ma'am, please send maths link.
Huh? If you were doing your previous class, where was your mind? Mubashira? She's not here. Adya, your mind is here on WhatsApp. Is connecting to audio. Adya, you were attending the previous class? Yes or no? Charith,
No,
you were
ma'am.
attending? No, you were not attending.
I am not in a private class.
Beta, all those who were not attending attending the previous class and they were writing present, that means they were not paying attention on the previous classes. Open your cameras. Open your cameras. If you keep your camera off, I'll throw you out of the meeting. Daksh Peheljani, open your camera. Vidanshu, Anshraj, change your name to English. This is not your Hindi period. Change your name to English. And nobody will join another meeting until and unless this meeting will be over. Because some of you do, as soon as the teacher send you the link, you just keep marking your attendance. What is this? That means you're not paying attention in the class and marking the attendance in the next class. Nobody will do that. Riddhi, Alark and Arj, open your cameras. Akshat, what we have done in the last time, what Ansh Patel ko pata hoga, Ansh Patel was attending regularly. What we have done at the last?
Ma'am, we have done the right number of following lakhs.
Ansh Patel, you tell me. Ehman,
Yes, ma'am.
and open your camera. Yes, and keep it open. Alark को तो मैं अभी बाहर कर रही हूँ, इसे 5 मिनट का टाइम दे रही हूँ. He's going to open the camera, then it is okay. Otherwise, I'm going to throw him out of the meeting. Ansh Patel, कहाँ गए? Where are you?
Ma'am, I think he is not a class.
He's in class, okay? He always attend the classes. Ansh Patel, what we have done in the last time?
We have done the writer numbers names of the following. Ma'am, exercise 1.8.
हमने लास्ट वाला ये किया है. अंश पटेल बेटा 378,050.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have done
Okay.
till 6 numbers.
Okay, thank you beta. Now everyone take out your maths fair notebook. Jaldi se, quickly. Let's not waste the time. Maths fair notebook. You can continue. Okay, let me spotlight myself for you all.
Ma'am, we have to done this.
Obviously, yes. Take out your maths fair notebook. And on maths fair notebook.
Ma'am, we have to do from same page.
Wait a minute, I'm writing.
मैम नोटबुक और टेक्स्ट बुक.
Beta, what is written here? What is written here? Can't you read it?
Notebook.
Right, question B. Write the numerals.
Ma'am, I have done abacus also.
Okay, very good. Now start doing this. Beta, write the numeral. You know what do you mean by numeral? You know what do you mean by numeral? Alark को तो मैं अभी बाहर कर रही हूँ. He is not going to switch on his camera.
Ma'am, I have done also this.
Beta, please switch off your mic and please start doing it.
Ma'am, I have written it.
कहाँ से कर लिया? मैंने कराया कब है क्लास में?
Ma'am, when you are not well, my mother is doing this work.
कहाँ से कर लिया ये वर्क? दूसरे सेक्शन से कर लिया क्या? चलो let it ठीक है. If you have done, do it again. चलो. Two lakh 62,000 350. Okay, better put the commas also. I'm leaving a one line here. You also write answer one. You will write here. Okay, do not use the same line. Use the next line so that it may look neat and clean. And without leaving line, you can do it. Okay. Question 2 is put the commas also. Like how you have to do this. एक बार इधर देखो. Look here on the board, everyone. Look here on the board. It's written 2 lakh. Up how many lakhs are there? 2 lakh. So how will you write here? 2 lakh. Lakh means comma. Lakh means comma. 62,000. How will you write 62,000? 62,000. 350. How do you write 350? 350. How do you write 350?
350. 350.
350. Okay, like this you have to write the answers. Okay. First one I've done. Next one you will do.
नहीं क्लास चल रही थी
700 2,000
तो ये कर तो मैम अभी करा रही है तो वो कर जो मैम ने बोर्ड पे लिखा है ऊपर लिखो डेट लगाओ यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर बी डालो ये ए है ना देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर बी आया ना अब राइट द न्यूमरल्स फॉर द नंबर पीछे चल समझा मैम जो कह रहा है वो तुम करो
Ma'am, we have to write maths for notebook.
Nahin, this is fair. This is fair notebook. This is not for. This is FAIR fair. You don't have to write this. Start writing from question B. ये आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए होता है बेटा. ये आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए लिखती हूँ मैं कि कहाँ करना है और कितना करना है. That's what I write. ये आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए होता है.
Ma'am, we have to write the number name.
हाँ बेटा ये सब लिखना है बाकी सब लिखना है इसको छोड़ के बाकी सब लिखना है. फर्स्ट टाइम अटेंड कर रहे हो बेटा क्लास.
Your video is looking blur.
बेटा your connection might be weak.
No, ma'am, I have a Wi-Fi.
Is it proper, beta? Everyone, is it blur?
Ma'am, it is blurred.
Ma'am, it is proper.
Ma'am, it is blurred.
Ma'am, in second one, you have written 2000 after 700.
हाँ तो 700 के बाद 2000 ही आएगा. इसे ढंग से पढ़ो तब समझ आएगा ये क्या क्वेश्चन है. This is the correct question. Wait a minute. अभी बताती हूँ. Wait a second. Screenshots. Pictures.
This is international digit.
Screenshot downloads.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ.
What is right? Ma'am, what is right? Second question 700, 2800.
34.
Ma'am,
34.
मैम उसके बाद क्या लिखा है?
34. She is not able to hear. I don't know what problem did she have. 34 लिखा है. Scale, triangle, scale of files. Next one. Fourth book. This is exercise number 1.8. Wait a minute, everyone. Okay, let me share my. ऐसे अगर blur आ रहा है ना, तो let me share my whiteboard. Wait a minute. Let me share my whiteboard instead of writing here. अगर ये blur आ रहा है आपको. Wait. I'm writing here. चलो. No worries. I'm writing from the beginning. ठीक है? चलो. Where you have to do this work, you have to do in maths. Where notebook. Yes. This you can do from the new. This is you have to do from the new page. New page. Okay. So what you have to do? I'm writing again. Question A is sorry. Question A नहीं है. This is question B. Okay. Okay. Next the question B is write the numerals for the number names. Write the questions बड़ी है ना बेटा वो one board पे नहीं आ पाएंगे. For the number names. Okay. This is the question. I'm writing question 1 here. Okay. 2 lakh. My अब तो blur नहीं आ रहा ना बेटा?
No,
clear है ना?
it's clear.
1,350. 350. ये हो गया. ठीक है. This is question 1 and answer 1 you will write here like this. Answer 1 2 lakh 62,000 और फिर क्या है 350 like this you have to do. ठीक है. Now I'm writing the next question.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 2. रिद्धि, what is this? रिद्धि को तो बहुत issues है. Question number 2 is 702,700 2,000 2,834 834.
Ma'am, how many are there?
Answer 2 is, अपने आप करोगे आंसर 2, ठीक है? Then I'll write question 3 here. Seven hundred 76,000 776,000 Answer 3 will write here.
Ma'am, please write the answer too.
I will not write, do it yourself. मैं सब कर दूंगी तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि कैसे करा जाएगा? आप करके मुझे WhatsApp पे भेजेंगे अभी इसको सारे क्वेश्चंस.
Ma'am, weather is wrong, so
I can explain you after a while, but आप try करो खुद से. One lakh 55,200. $880,000. These are 5 questions and 5 answers you have to write yourself. Okay? Start doing.
ma'am, we have to write 0, 10 or simple 10.
बेटा क्वेश्चन कौन सा है? 6010. अब देखो आपने 1000 प्लेस पे तो 6 लिख दिया होगा. अब मुझे बताओ व्हाट विल बी देयर एट द प्लेस ऑफ हंड्रेड्स. हंड्रेड्स प्लेस पे क्या है?
Ma'am, in 100 place there is 7.
कहाँ है 7? कहाँ है 7? वो 76,000 है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
हंड्रेड्स पे कुछ भी नहीं है तो 0 विल बी देयर.
Okay.
अच्छा, so somebody, if you are having problem in the second question I'm explaining, it's given 702,000. 702,000 ऐसे नहीं पढ़ोगे. It's given, जब तक 1000 नहीं आ जाता हम पूरा पढ़ते रहेंगे, या लाख नहीं आ जाता था तब तक हम पूरा पढ़ते रहते हैं. तो क्या लिखा है? 702,000. 702 हम कैसे लिखते हैं? We write 702 as 702. अब 1000 जैसे ही आएगा वी हैव टू पुट कॉमा. जैसे ही लाख आएगा तब कॉमा पुट करना है. जैसे ही 1000 आएगा तब हमें कॉमा पुट करना है. 702,000 तो 702 कॉमा 834 834. तो ये इंटरनेशनल में हुआ या इंडियन में हुआ? टेल मी.
Ma'am, international.
यस,
अब इंटरनेशनल.
Ma'am, international.
Yes, very good. Let me take your attendance first of all, wait. This class is 4th. If those camera, अच्छा आलिद को तो पहले मैं remove करती हूँ because he is not opening his camera, so let me remove him. Alit ko I've removed because he's not opening his camera continuously. I'm not a fool over here that I will ask you again and again to switch on your camera, switch on your camera. This is all teachers.
Answer number 3. Ma'am, in answer number 3, I have a doubt. Please explain me.
नहीं, पहले आप खुद ट्राई करो, फिर मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. मैं देखना चाहती हूँ आपने क्या किया है. रहमान, अक्षर, अलंकृत, आदर्क, अंशुति, Arjun. Arjun is present today or not? I don't know. I've seen him or not. No, Arjun is not present today. Archika, she's never present. Arslan, present. Charitra, present. Daksh Pahaljani, present. Gaur, present. Manya, present. Mubashira is not present. Mubashira likh deti hai, but she is never inside the class. She always write her name, but she is never in the class. Mubashira, Praveer, present. Vikir, present. Shelly Gupta, Shiza, Snandi Praveer, Taranveer, Yuvraj Singh. Praveer. She is absent. Taranveer is present. Manisha is absent. Vedantu. Yuvraj Singh. Taranveer, your name is not here. है. ठीक है. Yuvraj Singh, Alankita, Ritik, Manya, Charita, ठीक है. These are only present students. All right.
I have to also send in WhatsApp group.
Yes, beta. How will I check it? Aradhya also sent it. Okay, Aradhya, I'm checking. Wait a minute. I'm sending the same question on WhatsApp group so that it will be easy for you. Those who are not able to see, they can check it from there. Okay, Aradhya, Aradhya, very good. Aradhya, third wale mein comma is at wrong place. Aradhya, third wale mein comma is at wrong place. Third wala is wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, it's 776. 776,000. Okay. And last one is also correct, Aradhya. Manya, last wala bhi wrong hai. और थर्ड वाला भी रॉन्ग है. सेकंड मान्या से फोर्थ वाला ठीक है. अक्षज, वेरी गुड अक्षज, एक्सीलेंट. Excellent, Akshay.
My last one is also wrong.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't understand. Only answer number 3. I done all answers.
ठीक है, send it to me on WhatsApp. I will see myself whether it is correct or wrong. जो भी समझ आ रहा है ना थर्ड वाले में वो लिखकर सेंड करो मुझे दक्ष। जो समझ आ रहा है ना दक्ष वो लिखकर सेंड करो।
Ma'am, next class timing.
Okay, I got the answer of Aradhya again. Yes, Aradhya, now it is correct. नहीं, अभी भी थोड़ा सा wrong है fifth वाला. Fifth one is again wrong. अभी भी wrong है Aradhya. I will teach you. Don't worry. Riddhi ठीक है. Riddhi, it's correct. Daksh, have you sent it?
Ma'am, my mother is doing work, so can I do not send?
So you don't have a mobile right now?
Ma'am, I have mobile, but I don't know how to send.
You don't know how to send, then learn how to send the work. You are grown up. Try to do it yourself. Don't take the help of your parents. बेटा मान्या अभी भी wrong है. I will teach you. Don't worry मान्या. Very good. Who is this? Ansh Patel. Very good, Ansh. Do it quickly, all those who are left. Praveer. And who else is left? Charitra, Arshika. Arshika is present. Arshika, you were not present. Why are you so late? Charitra and Achadhya, they might be sending the answers. Akshat, क्या कर रहे हो बुक में? आंसर नहीं आया मेरे पास अभी तक. आंसर्स कहाँ है?
already sent it.
ऑलरेडी सेंडेड. अक्षत का तो मुझे लर्न दिया. अच्छा हाँ हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. मैंने चेक कर दिया ना अक्षत.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक थे सारे. हाँ 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 वेरी गुड बोला था. वेरी गुड बोला था. सॉरी फॉरगॉट. आद्या लास्ट वाला रॉन्ग है. आद्या आद्या फिफ्थ वन इज रॉन्ग.
776,000.
सेकंड वन इज रॉन्ग. Eman, second one is wrong.
775 है ना.
बेटा those who are not able to understand, अभी मैं उनको समझा दूंगी. जितना है उतना करो. जितना समझ आ रहा है सिर्फ उतना करो. अभी I will teach you.
अब यहाँ पे 880,000. तुमने 8,000. 80,000 and 49.
बेटा अगर नहीं आ रहा है समझ, let it be. जो आ रहा है वो लिख कर भेजो. I want to know कि किस किस की समझ नहीं आ रहा है. That will be written in your notebooks. बेटा मान्या अहमान थर्ड वाला भी रॉन्ग है. थर्ड वाले के कॉमास रॉन्ग प्लेसेस पर है. अहमान योर कॉमास एट रॉन्ग प्लेसेस. Very good. Who is this? Taranveer. Very good. Okay, let me tell you the answers. Who else is left? Let me check. Aradhya sent. Arshika left out. Arslan jaldi karo. Praveer, Arslan, do it quickly. Yuvraj Singh, do it quickly. Cheryl,
All last one.
Anshraj, only these are left. Chalo, let me tell you. Wait a minute, bachche. Chalo, jab tak karo. The 2-3 are left. They are sending. Beta, let me just send another link, class link. Give me a minute. After this,
Ma'am,
there
you
will be a link.
can check my.
Who's? Tell me your name.
Ma'am, Daksh Venagani.
Wait a minute. Let me just start the next.
Ma'am, you can check my.
Wait a minute. Who is saying you can check my, you can check my? Beta, give me a minute. ठीक है. Okay. Now I'm checking. First, let me explain you these questions. Then I will start. ठीक है. First, तब मैं check करूंगी आपके answers. First, मैं पहले ये काम कर लेती हूँ. उसको पहले मैं explain कर दूँ. जो some of you are not able to understand it. Okay. Okay. Here text. Okay. 702,000. How? देखो बेटा, इसे मैं पूरा नहीं पढ़ना है. 702 नहीं पढ़ना है इसको. जब तक 1000 नहीं आता तब तक इसको पढ़ते रहेंगे. तो 702,000. So what is coming? 702. अब जैसे ही 1000 आता है you will put comma. जैसे ही lakh या 1000 आएगा आप comma put कर दोगे. तो 702 comma 834. So 34, how will you write 834? How do you write 834?
Ma'am, 8, 3 and 4.
8, 3 and 4. This is the question. Okay, 700 मैंने क्या बोला है? तब तक बोलते रहोगे को नंबर जब तक आपका 1000 नहीं आ जाता या लाख नहीं आ जाता. 776,000. 1000 आ गया ना? तो 776 कैसे लिखोगे? कैसे लिखते हैं 776?
Ma'am, 776.
776. ठीक है. अब जैसे ही 1000 आएगा you will put 1 comma. जैसे ही 1000 आएगा you will put 1 comma. 1000 आते ही आप एक comma लगा दो. लगा दिया comma. अब लिखा है 1,05,000. सॉरी 76,000. अब 10 लिखा है. अगर आप 10 ऐसे ही लिख दोगे तो यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट्स कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं क्या? 1s, 10s, 100s के. 100s प्लेस पे क्या आ रहा है? कुछ नहीं आ रहा. तो 100s प्लेस पे there will be 1 0. कॉमा बेटा जहां लगा है वही होगा. दक्ष, are you able to understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 lakh. कौन से वाले में प्रॉब्लम थी? थर्ड वाले में ना दक्ष?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, अब समझ आया? Now see 1 lakh. 1 lakh. अब मैंने क्या बोला? जब तक 1000 या lakh
Ma'am,
नहीं
I
आता.
understand. Ma'am, I understand with my mother.
Okay, बट मैंने बोला था थोड़ा वेट कर लो बेटा. I will teach you. ठीक है?
Ma'am.
1 lakh. 1 जैसे ही lakh आएगा वैसे ही कॉमा लगाना है. जैसे lakh या 1000 आता है हम एक कॉमा लगा देते हैं. 1 lakh. 55,000. अब 1000 आ गया ना तो हम यहाँ पे स्टॉप करेंगे. तो 55 कैसे लिखते हैं? 55.
5.
And 200. How do you write 200? 200.
200. Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, I cannot click my photo because I have a web camera.
Okay बेटा.
And ma'am, I am attending in computer.
It's all right.
I
Praveen,
can
it's
show
okay.
you.
ठीक है. Okay. Now see 800. मैंने क्या बोला? तब तक बोलते रहेंगे नंबर जब तक 1000 नहीं आ जाता. अब मैंने बोला 880,000. अब क्या बोला? 880,000. So how do you write 880? 880 कैसे लिखते हैं हम?
Excuse me, ma'am.
अरसलान,
Ma'am,
मैं समझा रही हूँ, पहले समझो. Excuse me afterwards. How do you write 880?
Ma'am, 880.
880. 880 और 1000 आया तो कॉमा. और 49 कैसे लिखोगे? अगर आप 49 ऐसे लिखोगे, it will be wrong because 3 digits should be there. So 049. Okay, now let me check some of the answers. Those who have sent it afterwards. Let me check कौन थे. चरित्र ने भेजा है. चरित्र, okay, very good, very nice चरित्र. ये गलत है. अर्जुन, लास्ट वाला रॉन्ग है आपका और थर्ड वाला भी रॉन्ग है.
When class will be closed?
क्यों, क्या करना है नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए? अभी जाना है? अभी चले जाओ. Okay, who is this? This is correct. अरसलान correct. अरसलान ने बाद में ठीक करके भेजा होगा, है ना अरसलान? बेटा कॉमा रॉन्ग प्लेस पे है. कौन है ये? युवराज सिंह. बेटा कॉमा इज एट रॉन्ग प्लेस.
When you are teaching.
Okay, very good अरसलान, ठीक करा है आपने. युवराज सिंह deleted the message. Very good. पता नहीं क्या करता है ये युवराज सिंह. What he wants, I don't know.
Ma'am, in class.
Okay everyone, now let me click this picture. Wait a minute. अब किसी को कोई डाउट है? Anybody is having any doubt now? Now anybody is having any doubt?
No,
Everyone
ma'am.
knows? Okay, very good. All of you understood? बेटा कॉमास अगर आप रॉन्ग करोगे ना तो आंसर भी रॉन्ग हो जाता है. Fourth, this is which class? Fourth A. Fourth A, you don't have any D group बेटा बच्चे? कोई D group नहीं है बेटा आपकी क्लास का?
Ma'am, we have.
You have. Why is it not showing? Wait a minute. Let me just send your answers on this WhatsApp group. Fourth AD. हाँ. D group नहीं है आपकी क्लास में बेटा? कहाँ है ये फोर्थ ए?
Ma'am, we have.
हाँ, we have. Okay, I got it. I got it. Wait. I got it. Let me send the answers. बेटा डी ग्रुप प्लीज ज्वाइन करके रखना. अगर आप एब्सेंट हो जाते हो ना या कुछ हो जाता है तो यू जस्ट can get the work from there. The period is going to be over now.
Ma'am, got it.
After this, ठीक है. इसके बाद you have expanded form. We will do it in next period whenever we have. Okay. Now after this there will be a break. मैंने बेटा जिसका कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ ये वर्क they can do it from the WhatsApp group. ठीक है. डी ग्रुप में मैंने सेंड कर दिया. अब we will do next. हाँ, you can leave. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Only less than 1 minute is left. It's going to be over.
Bye, ma'am.
About to over. Bye बच्चे.
Bye, ma'am.
You will do expanded form. Remind me, अंश पटेल, तुम्ही को याद दिलाना है मुझे. Expanded form करना है.